Today is episode 4 in the Shooting Star series, where we break down the Chinese chant for those of you who are interested to learn Chinese. We chanted this Chinese chant together with this Sanskrit chant and the corresponding English chant. Let's hear it one more time. 一切有为法，如梦幻泡影，如露亦如电，应作如是观。Now with 拼音，一切有为法，如梦幻泡影，如露亦如电，应作如是观。Let's break the first sentence into 3 parts. 一切 all 有为 condition 法 dharma or phenomena. The second sentence into 5 parts. 如 like 梦 dream 幻 illusion 泡 bubble 影 shadow. The third sentence into 5 parts. 如 like 露 dew 一 also 如 like 电 lightning. Fourth sentence into 3 parts. 应作 should make 如是 such 观 contemplation. Let's chant the whole thing twice. 一切有为法，如梦幻泡影，如露亦如电，应作如是观。一切有为法，如梦幻泡影，如露亦如电，应作如是观。